Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Vilva Hair Growth Oil. So if you guys want to know my honest thoughts on this product, please keep on watching. Firstly, talking about the pricing of this product, it comes in 3 different quantities, hence there are 3 different prices: 50 ml, 100 ml and 200 ml. The 50 ml one costs around 340 rupees, the 100 ml will cost around 650 rupees, and the one that I have is the 200 ml one, which costs around 1180 rupees. Talking about the packaging of this product, as you can see, it comes in this metal aluminium sort of a packaging, which makes the packaging very sturdy. There is a complete ingredient list and other important information as well that is written all over this bottle. There is a product description as well that is mentioned on the bottle itself, which reads, "Concerned about the appearance of bald patches on the head? At Vilva, we have the perfect solution to set your mind at ease. Our elixir works its potent magic on the hair and scalp using a blend of 100% natural oils. The antioxidants and nutrients-rich pumpkin seed oil works with the other ingredients to repair and rejuvenate hair and scalp, promoting healthy hair growth and thereby successfully reversing the balding process. Usage: pour required amount of oil onto your palm and gently massage into hair and scalp. To boost blood circulation at the hair roots, flip your hair over your head and massage again. This is called inversion method." Coming on to my review of this product, honestly speaking, this one did not work amazingly on my hair and scalp. I had very high hopes with this one, but unfortunately it just failed to work on my hair and scalp. It has peppermint oil and rosemary oil, which no doubt gave my scalp a very refreshing and soothing feeling and relaxed me on my stressed out day. But it also made my dandruff and itchy scalp even more itchy. I used it religiously for almost a month, because with organic products, to start showing its effect, it needs at least 3 weeks to a month's time. And I gave this product a fair share of time, but it just did not work for me. Usually my scalp gets itchy the 3rd or the 4th day after my hair wash. But with this one, after I washed my hair after using this on my scalp, it made my scalp itchy the very next day. After washing it off from my hair and scalp, my hair did feel soft, smooth and shiny and all of good things. And to an extent, even my hair fall had decreased. But I only had to stop it because there was a lot of itchiness after I had begun to use this. The brand claims that this product is actually a regrowth oil, and it is, brand claims it in such a way that it is even going to regrow your hair back on the bald patches of your scalp. But honestly, I really cannot tell you much on that, because I did not see much of a difference on my hair and scalp. All the ingredients in this definitely works amazingly in regrowing the hair and repairing the hair and all the good things, but unfortunately this product just did not work for me. Also, it is not necessary that just because it did not work for me, it might not work for you as well. It is not necessary at all. Maybe even if we have the same kind of scalp, like oily and dandruff scalp, even if we share the same scalp type, even then there is a chance that it might work for you. So if you really want to know whether it's going to work for you or not, you can invest into the small 50 ml size, which is also a travel pack. You can go for that one. You can invest into that one. That will cost you around 350 rupees. You can invest into that one, see if it works for you or not. If it does not work for you, then just let it go. But if it works for you, you can then invest into a complete 200 ml one. I did do a patch test of this product. It's not like I did not do a patch test, but it's just that when I did my patch test, it showed no effect of itchiness on my scalp whatsoever. But when I started using it completely on the scalp, that's when I experienced the itchiness, which I thought that maybe, for the initial first few uses, I thought that maybe it is the organic ingredients in this which is actually working on my scalp, which is why it's itching that much. But the itchiness which every used, it just kept increasing, and hence I had to stop using this. So with that, we come to the end of this review. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also, share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. Follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are going to be in the description below. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.